This video is about my studios. So a studio is a way of curating your projects into groups. If you click on your username when you're signed in and go to My Stuff, you can actually see all the projects you've ever made. You've got shared projects which are shared publicly. It will give you some analytics on different views and different ways that people have interacted with your projects. Unshared projects are private. Nobody can access them if they're not shared, and this is where you can also come to delete your projects. You can click on My Studios. To start a new studio, you would click on New Studio button, and then you can add projects to a studio. I'll show you that in a moment. What you've got is I've got different groups. My most popular group is my online game studio, and it has all different projects that are game themed, different strategies to make games. I wouldn't use this if you're under 18. It means anyone can add projects to your studio, which means you can't control what people use, but you can add projects here by browsing or knowing what the URL is and pasting a project URL here and adding. You can put in a picture, add a description of your studio, what it's for, and view any comments that you have received on your project. To add a project to your studio, you would go to a project. So I'll just go back to My Stuff. I've got quite a few blank ones there. Let's say we go to this one, save the place. I click on See Project Page. Now, you cannot add a project until you have shared it publicly to a studio. So to do that, I would need to click on Share. And then down the bottom here, I can click on Add to Studio. I then choose the project studio that I would like to use. You can add the same project to multiple studios and then click on OK. And that will now appear in my game studio. And there it is there.